Hello, this is Teresa from Yarn Again. I wanted to share my haul from the Yarn Farm in Kingston. I got two skeins of birch hollow fibers, and I got two skeins of Scout 100% wool in these lovely colors. This birch hollow fiber, I believe, is made in New York. It is Phyllis DK. 250 yards. Recommended needle is a size 5 to 7. Recommended hook is a 7 to an I, 9mm. It is hand washing in cool water to lukewarm, lay flat to dry. The name of this one is Sugar and Spice. You could see the little bits of flecks of the oranges, the pumpkins, and that's a gray, not a blue, but it's so gorgeous. And I'll show you, it's a 4. And I got the pumpkin to match, I believe it's the gingerbread, excuse me. It looks more pumpkin. But I got that one to match that one. Same specs. You Can't Catch Me on the Gingerbread is the name of this one. That's cute. This one just says Sugar and Spice. I wonder if there's an Everything Nice. And this one is a 100% wool, 274 yards. If I missed it, these are 250. This is hand wash, dry flat, low iron. Should read those before I purchase. And these are by the Kilborn Woolens. I don't know where these are made, to be honest. And they're both the same exact spec, same exact color. And I just wanted to share that with you. And today is supposed to be WIP Wednesday. I am working on the shawl. This shawl. And the other WIPs that I have going are the Monday Mary Maxim and Thursday Throw Thursday. We'll see if I made any progress on the Persian Tiles, which Throw Thursday has a whole new meaning. Okay, talk to you later. Thank you for subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it if you find it in your heart. Have a blessed day.